Hello and welcome to Rust Locker, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the headlights from a Vauxhall Combo or Corsa C. Now I'm actually going to be replacing my old style headlights with the newer projector style that were more prevalent on the Corsa SXI SRIs, I believe. They look better, they look a bit more aggressive, so and it's a cheap and easy upgrade. So that's what I'm going to be doing to my Combo. But this will also be a good video if yours are damaged or cracked or you know, have gone too yellow or foggy and you just want to replace like for like. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. The only thing is, it's quite a fiddly job if you don't remove the front bumper. Now I've already done a video that goes into a lot of detail on how to remove your front bumper, so I'll link that in the description and put it up in the top corner somewhere. I'll run through it real quick right now just to show you where the bolts are, and then I'll crack on with the headlights. Okay, so the first couple of bolts that you need to undo to remove the bumper are under the wheel arch here and here. There's a bolt on the back side that needs to be undone. It's only a plastic bolt and it probably will break, but there's one there, one there. Next you've got a screw down here at the bottom of the wheel arch. That's a Torx head screw. Then underneath the van there are 3 Torx head screws holding the underside of the bumper to the bottom pan. Now around to the other side, there's another Torx head screw in this arch, there's another bolt there, and there's another bolt on the inside there to remove. And then finally you've got these 3 bolts here on the engine support to remove. Once those 3 bolts are undone, you'll be able to pull the bumper sort of up and off. Don't forget to undo your temperature sensor, which is down here. Unplug that before you pull the bumper off. That's it, just gently pop the bumper off and it will come away. And then don't forget to unattach your sensor for the thermometer. Otherwise you'll pull the wire out. So to remove the headlights, you've got a bolt at the top and another bolt here at the top. And then underneath here, you can see there's another bolt there. Now you might be able to get to this bolt without removing the bumper if you want to go up and underneath here, but it's still going to be difficult to get it over the lips of the bumper. So for the sake of a few bolts and 15 minutes work, it makes it a lot easier to take the whole light out by having the bumper off. Then once those 3 bolts are out, you can pull the light out, you can get to all the wiring behind here, undo your clips however it's set up. Now this plug here, this can be a little bit of a pain in the arse. What you have to do is actually pull this red tab up, and you might need to get a bit of leverage in there. But once that red tab pulls all the way out, you can pull this plug off. Come on. Like that. And then putting it back on is just the reverse. Plug it in, push down the red tab. Now check that your lights work before you bolt them back in behind the bumper. So now just check that all your lights work, go and turn them on, your indicators, your high beam, side lights, make sure all that works before we put everything back together. I've checked those, they all work fine. Okay, so I've just fitted the other one there, and boom, simple as that. I've now upgraded my headlights to the more desirable option. Right, so now I've just got to fit the bumper back on, tighten everything up, fix any rusty bolts that I find, and I've just upgraded the headlights. Okay, well I hope this video has been useful for you if you are planning on removing or refitting the headlights from your Corsa or Combo C. Do hope that you will subscribe for more fixes and modifications and other stuff to come. Like and comment if you want, and I will catch you on the next one. And here's a little update. I have now got the bonnet sorted. My friend Neil, he's done his magic and the bonnet is now 1,000 times better than it was. So here's what we've got now. As you can see, we have still got quite a gap, but that is needed to take it up off of the lights. But at least the gap on that side is about the same as the gap on this side. And most importantly, he's locked the bonnet pins in properly. If I could do it one-handed, and set them a lot more professionally than I would have. Oh yeah, and I also picked up a engine cover, so this looks a lot better now. The engine bay is looking a lot neater than it was before without that. And they lock in and it's all tight and nice. That'll do it for this one. Hope you have enjoyed the video and I will catch you on the next one.